Hey guys, I'm Dupree, and today I'm going to show you how to run out some racks and 9-ball. Hopefully I make a few mistakes along the way. We're just going to throw random balls out there and run out the pattern. Let's go ahead and get started. Hopefully I make some mistakes so I can show you guys how to get out of those mistakes, because that is the most important part of pool. So we're always thinking 3 balls ahead, so I landed on this side of this 2 so I can go over naturally for the 3. I just want a bit of an angle. Try to bring that one back. And we got a good angle on the 4 to go over for the 5 in that side. This is going to be the hardest shot right here, and it is not difficult. It's just landing on the 7 well. Just like that. This is probably the most important shot right here. We need to make sure we have an angle on that 8 to get down here for that 9. And we do. Get it off that rail. And then this looks like a pretty smooth run out. So, see how I identified the most difficult shots first. I identified the most difficult shots really as I was going along. Took a little extra time on those, like getting the right angle on the 8 to naturally go down there for the 9. Always thinking 3 balls ahead. Let's go on to the next run out. Okay, so this is a perfect layout except for this one ball is a little bit of trouble. It does not go in any regular pocket with a normal shot. So we are going to have to bank that one. There we go. Now we're dead straight on our 2, and we should be out as long as we maintain focus. So we need to draw this one back, leaving ourselves with a nice angle to get on the 4. Move that up there. That is actually pretty good. Just bringing our cue ball around the table. This is probably going to be the hardest shot of this rack right here. Bringing it around the table again. And that looks good right there. We're going to run that one up, and we are close to dead straight on that 7 ball, so it should be connected dots from here. I want to play the 9 in the side because it's an easier pocket, even though it's a bit harder position. And then there we go. So a little bit of a difficult shot at the beginning with the bank, I guess. But the rest of it was pretty simple. So let's move on to the next run out. Okay, so this table, we have a little bit of a problem with the 5-8, but that should be easily solvable with this 1 ball like so. And we've also managed to stay on the correct side of the 2. So now this whole run out, the hard part is over. It's all about maintaining focus from here. Going up there for the 4 ball. Looks like we're pretty good on it. Just need to roll that one in. We need to bring this one towards us a little bit. Just like so. This may be the most difficult shot. Just getting right on that 7. And we've done an okay job. We're just going to have to bring our cue ball to the rail. Kept a good angle. Wanted to bring that back for the side, but we overran it a little bit, but we ended up nicely on the 9 into the corner. There's another nice little run out, a little problem in the cluster right there, but we solved that immediately, and nice little connect the dots from the. Okay, so this rack, we got a lot of balls in the middle, I see. Problems, maybe the 4 ball. Also the 3, we can play the combo, but I want to try to play for the 3 in that corner. So I'm going to see if I can get the right angle on that too. Did I? I might have to force it. Okay. 4 ball is going to be difficult, but I have an idea in mind. I'm going to run that up there. 4 ball, I'm going to play it off the 9 into the side. It does not go regularly. Okay. 6 ball. Let's see, let's test my stroke. Okay, I think we got there just enough. It's gonna be tough, but I think we're there. Okay. Same shot, although I'm not going to do much for position because my 8 ball is just hanging over the pocket. I'm going to cut that in. Could have hit it a bit harder, but the 9 ball was pretty simple. So 2 tougher shots in that run out, but everything was fairly simple. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please click the like button down below. If you want to be notified when I post a new video, you can click the subscribe button, then the bell icon right next to it. That'll just send you an email and a notification saying that I've uploaded a new video. So thank you guys so much for watching this. If you want to support me further, since YouTube is killing all the paychecks, and I don't want to blast you guys with ads, you can click the link in the description below to my Patreon. This is where you can support my channel by selecting different level tiers, and if you are one of my patrons, you get access to special classes and special materials that rather other people on the channel do not get. So if you are interested in this, just click the link down below. It's 100% not mandatory. I provide all my free content for you guys, just they get a little extra, since they're extra special fans. So if you are enjoying the channel so far, share the channel. I'm really trying to get to 100,000 subscribers. We're at 75,000, maybe 76,000 by the time this comes out. But share the channel on Facebook. Share the channel with your friends in the pool hall. Share it with your APA team. So let's just get this army up to 100,000. We're about to pass some of the biggest pool tutorial people ever. And I'm about to be the biggest one. So that would be an absolute honor. And thank you to every one of you who's already subscribed. Let's just see if we can join 24,000 more people together and see if we can form this 100,000 subscriber army. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.